नमो तस्स भगवतो अरहतो सम्मा संबुद्धस्स। नमो तस्स भगवतो अरहतो सम्मा संबुद्धस्स। नमो तस्स भगवतो अरहतो सम्मा sambuddhassa. So today we are reading Kokalika Sutta, which is a sutta from Sutta Nipata, third chapter Mahavagga, 10th discourse, with Kokalik. So I have heard, Evam me Sutam. At one time, the Buddha was staying near Savatthi in Jaita's grove, Anathapindika's monastery. Ekan samayang bhagava Savathyam viharati Jetavane Anathapindikas arame. Then the mendicant Kokalik went up to the Buddha, bowed, sat down to one side, and said to him, Athako Kokaliko bhikkhu ena bhagava tena upasankamitva bhagavantam abhivaditva ekamantam nisidi ekamantam nisinno kho kokaliko bhikkhu bhagavantam etadavocha. Sir, Sariputta and Moggallana have corrupt wishes. They have fallen under the sway of corrupt wishes. Papicha bhante Sariputta Moggallana papikanam icchanam vasam gatati. When this was said, the Buddha said to Kokalik, Evam utte bhagava Kokalikam bhikkhum etadavocha. Don't say that, Kokalik. Don't say that, Kokalik. Mahevam Kokalik. Mahevam Kokalik. Have confidence in Sariputta and Moggallana. Pasadehi Kokalika Sariputta Moggallane Suchittam. So he says that you believe in the intentions of Sariputta and Moggallane. The word chitta is used here as a substitute for intention. They are good monks. Pesala Sariputta Moggallanati. For a second time. Dutiyampi Kho. Again, Kokalik said, Papicha bhante Sariputta Moggallana, Papikanam Icchanam Vasam Gatati. Sir, Sariputta and Moggallana have corrupt wishes. They have fallen under the sway of corrupt wishes. For a third time, Kokalik said to the Buddha, Tatiyampi Kho Kokaliko Bhikkhu Bhagavantam Etadavocha. Despite my faith and trust in the Buddha, Sariputta and Moggallana have corrupt wishes. They have fallen under the sway of corrupt wishes. Kinchapi me bhante bhagava saddhaiko pachaiko athako papicha vasariputta Moggallana papikanam icchanam vasam gatati. For a third time, the Buddha said to Kokalik, Tatiyampi kho bhagava kokalikam bhikkhum etadavocha. Don't say that, Kokalik. Don't say that, Kokalik. Mahevam Kokalika. Mahevam Kokalika. Have confidence in Sariputta and Moggallana. Pasadehi Kokalika. Sariputta Moggallane Suchittam. They are good monks. Pesala Sariputta Moggallanati. Then Kokalik got up from his seat, bowed, and respectfully circled the Buddha, keeping him on his right. Before leaving, Athakho, Kokaliko, Bhikkhu, Uttayasana, Bhagavantam, Abhivadetva, Padakhinam, Katava, Pakkami. Not long after he left his body, erupted with boils the size of mustard seeds. Achiri Achirapakkantas Chakokalikas Bhikkhuno Sasapatmatihi Pidakahi Sabbokayo Futo Ahosi. The boils grew to the size of mung beans, then chickpeas, then jujube seeds, then jujubes, then myrobalance, then unripe wood apples, then ripe wood apples. Finally, they burst open, and plus pus and blood oozed out. सासपमत्तियो हुत्वा मुग्गमत्तियो अहेसुम मुग्गमत्तियो हुत्वा कळायमत्तियो अहेसुम कळायमत्तियो हुत्वा वोलट्ठिमत्तियो अहेसुम वोलट्ठिमत्तियो हुत्वा कोलमत्तियो अहेसुम कोलमत्तियो हुत्वा आमलकमत्तियो अहेसुम आमलकमत्तियो हुत्वा बेळुवसलाटुकमत्तियो अहेसुम बेळुवसलाटुकमत्तियो हुत्वा बिल्लमत्तियो अहेसुम बिल्लमत्तियो हुत्वा पभिज्जिन्सुम उब्बंच लोहितं च पग्घरिस्सुम. Ubba means pus, lohit means blood. So pus and blood came out of that pustules. Then the mendicant, the monk, Kokalik, died of that illness. Athako Kokaliko Bhikkhu, Tene va badhen Kalamakasi. He was reborn in the pink lotus hell because of his resentment for Sariputta and Moggallana. Because Sariputta and Moggallana, they were chief disciples of the Buddha and they had very great parmis. They were very, very holy persons. And he tried to defame them. The Kokalik tried to defame them. Because of that bad karma, he was born in hell. Kalankato cha Kokaliko, Bhikkhu Padumam Nirayam Upapajji, Sariputta Moggallane Suchittam Aghatetva. Then late at night, the glorious divinity Sahampati, lighting up the entire Jeta's grove, went up to the Buddha, bowed, stood to one side, and said to him. So here the name of Brahma Sahampati has come. Brahma Sahampati's name comes earlier also, when Buddha was enlightened, and he thought that nobody will learn this technique of Vipassana from me. So why to teach? Why to teach Dhamma to the people? Let us enjoy our enlightenment. Then Brahma Sahampati came down to the earth and he requested the Buddha to start teaching. He told Buddha that there are people who will understand your teachings and they will also get liberated and enlightened. So you better start teaching. And then the Buddha, on his request, started teaching. So he comes here once again. अथको ब्रह्मा सहम्पति अभिकंताय रत्तिया अभिकंतवर्णो केवल कप्पम चेतवनम ओभासित्वा एन भगवा तेन उपसंकमी उपसंकमित्वा भगवंतम अभिवादित्वा एकमंतम अट्ठासी एकमंतम ठितोखो ब्रह्मा सहम्पति भगवंतम एतदवोच. Sir, the mendicant, the monk, Kokalik, has passed away. Kokaliko bhante bhikkhu kalankato. He was reborn in the pink lotus hell because of his resentment for Sariputta and Moggallana. Kalakanto cha bhante Kokaliko bhikkhu padumam nirayam upapanno Sariputta Moggalanesu Chittam Aghatetvati. So the lotus has different words in Sanskrit and Pali, Padma, Neeraj, Saroj, Pankaj, all like that. So each word for lotus, it has some different meaning or maybe some different color. So when it is called Padma, it is a pink lotus. So in Sanskrit it is Padma, in Pali it is called Paduma. So the a kind of hail, there are different types of hails in the lower world. So there is a special kind of hail which is called a pink lotus hail, Padma Loka, Padum Nirai Loka. Okay. So there he is born. That is what the divinity Sahampati said to the Buddha. Idam Ocha Brahma Sahampati. Then he bowed and respectfully circled the Buddha, keeping him on his right side, before vanishing right there. Idam vatva bhagavantam abhivadetva vadakhinam katva tathaivantaradhai. Then When the night had passed, the Buddha told the mendicants all that had happened. Atakho bhagava tassaratiya achayena bhikkhu amantesi imam bhikkave rattim brahma sahampati abhikkantaya rattiya अभिक्कन्तवर्णो केवलकप्पं जेतवनम् ओभासेत्वा येन भगवा तेन उपसङ्कमित्वा भगवन्तम् अभिवादित्वा एकमन्तम् अट्ठासि एकमन्तं ठितोखो ब्रह्मा सहम्पति भगवन्तम् एतदवोच कोकालिको भन्ते भिक्खु कालकन्तो कालङ्कतो च भन्ते कोकालिको भिक्खु पद्मं निरयम् उपपन्नो सारिपुत्तमोग्गलानेषु चित्तम आघातेत्वाति इदम ओच ब्रह्मा सहंपति इदम वत्वा भगवंतम अभिवादित्वा प्रदक्षिणं कृत्वा तथैवंतरधायी. When he said this, one of the mendicants said to the Buddha, एवं उत्ते अन्यतरो भिक्खु भगवंतम एतदवोच. Sir, how long is the lifespan in the pink lotus hell? Kiva digham. Kiva Digham means how long. Digham means long. Long discourses of the Buddha we call Digha Nikaya. Kiva Digham, how long? Nu Kho, really. Bhante, Lord. Padume Niraye, in the pink lotus hell. Ayuppamananti, the length of life. It is long, mendicant. Digham Kho, it is very long. Bhikkhu, O monk. Padume Niraye, in the pink lotus hell. Ayuppamanam, the length of the life. It is not easy to calculate how many years, how many hundreds or thousands or hundreds of thousands of years it lasts. Tam na sukaram, not easy. Sankhatum, to count. Ettakani vassani, these many years. Itiva, ettakani vassasatani, or centuries. Itiva, ettakani vassasahasani, or millenniums. Itiva, ettakani vasasatasahasani, or millenniums. Itivati, but sir, is it possible to give a simile? Sakkapan bhante upama katunti. So, tell us by simile. That's what the monk said. It is possible, said the Buddha. Sakka bhikkhu tu ti bhagava avocha. Then Lord said like this. Suppose there was a Kosalan load of 20 packs of sesame seed, and at the end of every 100 years, someone would remove a single seed from it. सेयथापि भिक्खु विसति खारिको कोसलको तिलवाहो ततो पुरीसो वत्ससतस्स वत्ससतस्स अच्छेन एकम एकम तिलम उद्धरेय. By this means, the Kosalan load of 20 packs of sesame seed would run out faster than a single lifetime in the Abbuda Hale. So there is a hale called Abbuda Hale. There the lifetime will be 20 packs of sesame seed would run out faster by removing one seed in 1 year. Okay. Khippataram khoso bhikkhu visatikhariko kosalako tilavahu imina upakammena parikhanam paryadanam gacchayana tveva eko abbudo nirayo. Now 20 lifetimes in the Abbuda hell equal one lifetime in the Nirabbuda hell. सेयत्थापि भिक्खु विशति अब्बुदा निरया एवं एको निरब्बुदो निरयो. 20 lifetimes in the Nirabbuda hell equal one lifetime in the Ababa hell. सेयत्थापि भिक्खु विशति निरब्बुता निरयो एवं एको अबबो निरयो. 20 lifetimes in the Abab hell equal one to lifetime in the Ertata hell. सेयत्थापि भिक्खु विशति अबबा निरया एवं एको अटटो निरयो. 20 lifetimes in the atata hell equal one lifetime in the ahah hell. सेयत्थापि भिक्खु विशति अटटा निरया एवं एको अहहो निरयो. 20 lifetimes in the ahah hell equal one life in the yellow lotus hell. से यथापि भिक्खु विशति अहहा निरया एवं एको कुमुदो निरयो. So we have seen Paduma or Padma is the pink lotus, and Kumuda is yellow lotus. So Seyathapi bhikkhu visati ahaha niraya evam eko kumudo nirayo. 20 lifetimes in the yellow lotus hell equal one lifetime in the fragrant water lily hell. Seyathapi bhikkhu visati kumuda niraya evam eko sogandhiko nirayo. 20 lifetimes in the fragrant water lily hell equal one lifetime in the blue water lily hell. Seyathapi bhikkhu visati sogandhika niraya evam eko uppalako nirayo. So blue water lily is Utpal, or in Pali it is Uppal. 20 lifetimes in the blue water lily hell equal one lifetime in the white lotus hell. Seyathapi bhikkhu visati uppalaka niraya evam eko pundariko nirayo. 20 lifetimes in the white lotus hell equal one lifetime in the pink lotus hell. So the white lotus is called Pundarik. Seyathapi bhikkhu visati pundarika niraya evam eko padumo nirayo. The Mendika and Kokalik has been reborn in the pink lotus hell because of his resentment for Sariputta and Moggallana. Padumam khopana bhikkhu nirayam kokaliko bhikkhu upapanno sariputta Moggallane su chittam aghatetvati. That is what the Buddha said. Idam ocha bhagava. Then the Holy One, the teacher, went on to say, Idam vatvan sugato athaparam etadavocha sattha. A person is born. Puri sasahi zatas with an X in their mouth. Kuthari jayate mukhe. A fool cuts themselves with it. Yayam chindati attanam. When they say bad words. Balo dubhasitam bhadam. When you praise someone worthy of criticism, yo nindiyam pasansati, or criticize someone worthy of praise, tamva nindati yo pasansiyo. You choose a losing hand with your own mouth. Vichinati mukhena so kalim. You will never find happiness that way. Kalina tena sukham na vindati. A losing hand at dice is a trivial thing. Appamatto ayam kali. If all you lose is your money, yo akhe sudhan parajayo, and all you own even yourself. Sabbasapi sahapi attana. What is a really terrible hand? Ayam eva mahattaro kali is to hate the holy ones. Yo sugate sumanam padosayo. For 100,000 times 100 million. Satam sahasanam nirabudanam. Times 536 times 1,000 times 10 million years. Chattim sati panchacha abbutani. A slanderer of noble ones goes to hell. Yamariyagarahi nidayam upeti. Have him angry bad words and thoughts at them. Vacham manancha panidhaya papakam. A liar goes to hell. Abhutavadi nirayam upeti. As does one who denies what they did. Yo vapi katavana karo michaha. Both are equal in the hereafter. Ubho pite pecha sama bhavanti. Those men of base deeds. Nihinakam manuja paratha. Whoever wrongs a man who has done no wrong. Yo appaduttasanarasadusati. A pure man who has not a blemish. Suddhassa posassa ananganassa. The evil backfires on the fool. Tameva balam pacheti papam. Like fine dust thrown upwind. Sukhumorajo pativatam vakhito. One addicted to the way of greed. Yo lobhagune anuyutto abuses others with their speech. So vachasa paribhasati anye. Faithless, miserly, uncharitable, asaddho kadariyo avadanyu, stingy, addicted to backbiting, machari pesuniyam anuyutto, foul-mouthed, divisive, ignoble, mukha dugga vibhuta anariya, a baby killer, wicked, wrongdoer, gunahu, papaka dukkatakari. The English translation given here is a baby killer. Actual word in the Pali is gunahu, who killed the fetus, means who commit abortions. Okay. Papaka dukkatakari, wicked and wrongdoer. Worst of men, cursed, baseborn, puri santakali avajata. Quiet now, for you are bound for hell. Ma bahu bhani dhaner ikosi. You stir up dust, causing harm. Rajma kirasi ahitaya. When you, sinner, malign the good. Sante garahasi kibbisakari. Having done many bad deeds. Bahuni ducharitani charitva. You will go to the pit for a long time. Gachasi khopapatam chirarattam. For no one's deeds are ever lost. Nahi nasati kasachikamam. They return to their owner. Etihatam labhateva suami. In the next life, that stupid sinner, dukkham mando paraloke, sees suffering in themselves. Attani passati kibbisakari. They approach the place of impalement. Ayo sankusamahatathanam, with its iron spikes, sharp blades, and iron stakes. Tinadharam Yasulam Upeti. Then there is the food which appropriately Athatatta Ayogura Sannibham is like a red hot iron ball. Bhojanam Athitatapati Rupam. For the speakers speak not sweetly. Nahi Vaggu Vadanti Vadanta. They don't hurry there or find shelter. Nabhijavanti natanam upenti. They lie upon a spread of coals. Angare santhate sayanti. They enter a blazing mass of fire. Gini sampajalitam pavisanti. Wrapping them in a net. Jalena cha o nahiyana. They strike them there with iron hammers. Tathahananti ayomaya kutebhi. They come to binding darkness. Andham va timisamayanti, which spreads about them like a fog. Tam vitatanni yathamahikayo. Next, they enter a copper pot. Athalohamayam panakumbhim, a blazing mass of fire. Gini sampajjalitam pavisanti. There they roast for a long time. Pachantihi tasu chiraratam. Writhing in the masses of fire. Agni samasu samupilavate. Then the sinner rose there. Athapubbalohitam isse. In a mixture of pus and blood. Tatha kim pachati Kibbisakari, no matter where they settle. Yam yam disakam adhisethi, everything they touch there hurts them. Tatha kilisati sampusamano, the sinner rose in Uravavasathe salilasmim, worm-infested water. Tatha kim pachati kibbisakari, there is not even a shore to go to gantum nahi tiram apatti, for all around are the same kinds of pots. Sabbasamahi samantakapalla, they enter the sword leaf forest. Asipattavanam panatinham, so sharp they cut their body to pieces. Tam pavisanti samuchidagatta. Having grabbed the tongue with a hook, Jeevam bali se nagahetva. They stab it, slashing back and forth. Arajaya Rajaya Vihananti. Then they approach the impassable Vetarani river. Atha Vetaranim Panadugam. With its sharp blades, its razor blades. Tirnadhar Kuradharam Upenti. Idiots fall into it. Tathamanda Papatanti. The wicked who have done wicked deeds. Papakara papani karitva. Their dogs all brown and spotted. Khadantihi tatharudante. And raven flocks and greedy jackals. Sama sabala kako laganacha. Devour them as they will. Sorna singala patigidha. While hawks and crows attack them. Kullavaya sachavitu danti. Hard, alas, is the life here. Kichhavatayam itha utti. That sinners endure. Anjano pusati kibbi sakari. That is why for the rest of this life, tasma idha jivita se. A person ought do their duty without fail. Kichha karo siya naro nacha appamajje. Experts have counted the lords of Siseb. Te ganita viduhitilavaha as compared to the pink lotus hill. E padume niraye upanita. For there are 5 times, 10,000 times, 10 million. Nahutani kotiyo pancha bhavanti. Plus another 1200 times 10 million years. Dvadasa koti satani punanya. As painful as life is said to be in hell. Yavadukha niraya idhavutta. That is how long one must dwell there. Tathapitavachiram vasitabham. That is why for those who are pure, well behaved, full of good qualities, tasma suchipe salasadu gunesu. One should always guard one's speech and mind. Vacham manam satatam parirakkheti. Kokalika suttam dasamam. So this was the 10th discourse named the Kokalika Sutta in the book of Sutta Nipata. So this is a very frightening discourse. If he commit wrong speech, you will have to go through all this. That is what Buddha has said. Especially when your wrong speech is about liberated persons, uh, holy persons like Sariputta and Moggallana, then the result will be a rebirth in the hell, and that is a very painful hell. Buddha describes how painful and how frightening the hell is, and he advises all of us not to speak bad words about anybody. Why speak bad words even about bad people? Let us give them metta. Always speak good about everybody. Keep smiling. Whenever bad thoughts come to us, just 6 hours. Recognize, release, relax, please smile. Return to your feeling of loving kindness and radiate that loving kindness towards that bad person also who has hurt you or who has harmed you. So never speak bad words about anybody. That is what Buddha is saying here. So if there are no questions, I will share the merits. May suffering ones be suffering free and the poor fear struck fearless be. May the grieving shed all grief and may all beings find relief. May all beings share this merit that we have thus acquired for the acquisition of all kinds of happiness. May beings inhabiting space and earth, devas and nagas of mighty power, share in this merit of ours. May they long protect the Buddha's dispensation. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.